The crypto market looks so good today after a huge dip to the downside. You can see the coins in green have are outperforming Bitcoin. The ones, the bubbles you see, in green are actually the ones that are outperforming Bitcoin, and the one in red are the ones that are not outperforming Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is outperforming them. So these are the top 200 coins. Let's go to the top 100 coins. Let's see if this is the same thing. Yeah, you can see it's mostly green. It means these meme coins that you see, all these altcoins that you see here in green, are outperforming Bitcoin. Welcome back to episode 4 of Live with the Betong. It's just trading analysis, looking at market structure. Yeah, all of this good stuff in the market. And if you have some coins that you want me to do analysis on, then feel free to share it with me. I'm just gonna arrange my hat so yeah, you guys can see me properly. Yeah. Mm. Oh boy. Yeah, this is my second life. Um After my journey to I went to Minnesota. There was an event there, so it was really cool. But I'm back, and we're gonna get back to business. We are already back in business. Um let's just analyze first of all the market, the crypto bubbles. Let's see what is going on there, the top 500 coins. We're gonna analyze the top 500 coins. We're gonna look at Bitcoin, look at Floki Inu, Baby DogeCoin, Popcat, Breath token. We're gonna look at some other meme coins as well. So yeah, if you have some other meme coins, then share it with me, and I'm gonna do my possible best to analyze them with you. So let's dive first to crypto bubble. By the way, if say you haven't yet subscribed to my platform, then you need to subscribe. Subscribe because I do this often, like not every day, but most of the time I do this. I make sure you understand what's going on in the market, what the market makers are doing, market structure, strategies, DCA, all of this stuff I talk about on my platform. So if you subscribe, then you're gonna get more value from that. Okay, let's dive into this. Oh boy, this is crypto bubble, and Popcat is up 9%. Of course, STRK is up 11%. HNT is up. Solana is up 2% against Bitcoin. ICP is up 5%. Most of the coins we are holding, they are up against Bitcoin. Let's go to the top 200 coins. Let's see. Yeah, CRV, GMT, all of these ones in green to Bo, Inch, Manta. Let's go to the top 300. Let's see which ones are doing so well there. Or as you go more, you see the ones that have really done well. You can see H2O. I don't know if that's the formula of water. H2O and one, like you can see, looking at the top 400 as well, you're gonna see more green than where the bubbles are in green, and they're doing so well. Guys, the crypto bubbles, you can use it to analyze the market, look at general market trend, what's going on. As I mentioned, I'm gonna look at the top 500. Nego is is up more than 1x. I know this coin. I didn't buy this coin, but I'm gonna be looking at it closely. Let's look at the volume. The rank is 197 now. Okay, so I'm gonna be looking at this is on Ethereum. Okay, I don't want to buy any token on Ethereum because of the gas fee. Apple also is here. Apple, I think Apple should be on Solana, if say I'm not mistaken. I think that should be the case. But if we look at the top 1,000, you're gonna see that there are a lot of coins that are doing so well. I've made videos on how you can go about looking at coins that you can make money from, like this coin. I think this could be cat dog. I don't know where. Let's just do a quick um analysis of this coin. Let's first of all go and get the contract address. So I want to get the contract address right now for from CoinMarketCap. From there, I'm gonna see. Oh, it's on Solana. Okay, so let me grab the contract address from Solana from this coin market cap. Then I'm gonna take it to Dex Screener. I'm gonna go to Dex Screen right now. This is Dex Screener. Hopefully you're gonna load. You should load because at times you make this verifying this stuff. Okay, now I think it's okay. Good. So I'm gonna now paste it here, this contract address to see um when it was launched and the holders, the liquidity, everything. You know, it has 7 million market cap. Okay, not that bad. Okay. Hmm. It has been launched long time ago. Not that it has been launched long time ago, and right, we saw how price plunged downward. Let's go to the cap. It went right up to 105 million market cap. So I think I already drew something like this. I already analyze this coin. You can see my Fibonacci retracement tool here. I drew this zone here. So I think what I'm looking at based on how I analyze the market is something like this. I want to see price, this pump, like something like this, come back, hold, yeah, then that's when I'm buying. You know, and my take profit is gonna be around the 60 million market cap. So there's a lot of money to be made from this coin, and again, it's gonna depend on what Bitcoin we do. We're gonna look at Bitcoin shortly, to see where we are with Bitcoin and what we might expect from all coins or the meme coin market. So basically, I think this coin somehow it might, if this is some sort of recovery, I already marked pull my Fibonacci retracement tool from let me see from here. I took it from here. Let's go down a little bit. So this is where I'm expecting price to reject first at 0.382. I did a video today about Fibonacci retracement tool. If say you haven't yet watched that video, you should go and watch that video. It's really educational. I try to go deeper. I'm gonna be creating more videos on that. Because I want you guys to understand when to buy a particular coin, when to just wait, like to be patient, waiting for price to get that zone where you're gonna buy. Of course, guys, that it's not like it's 100% certain that price must get there, but if you are patient most of the time, you're gonna save money, when price get there, because you're gonna be buying it at a cheaper price, at a discount price, and it's important. So this dog coin, I think we can be patient enough. If say you bought it a year already, good, but be rest assured that we will not get rejection from here. Why? Because last when it was launched, we saw this movement to the upside. We saw rejection here, and when price came back here multiple times, you can see 1, 2, 3, and also 4 year rejection, and you can see also here, and yeah. So there's high chances that when price get there, we must see some sort of rejection, and this is where I'm gonna buy if price hold. And I'm gonna do that on lower time frame, like the 4 hours time frame. So I just saw this on Crypto Bubble, guys. Crypto Bubbles is really good. I use this platform every day, Crypto Bubbles, to look for new coins, look for coins that are about to pump, look for coins that are just dormant. Like I just look at what price have done, the year, the month, the week, the day, the hour. Like this coin that's been like on fire for the year is up. This you can see. Oh boy, Super Zero Protocol. And it's among the top 1,000 coin. If I go to analysis coin, you're gonna see that I am gonna look at a zone where I'm gonna buy this coin. But I cannot buy every coin, but I can chart most of the coin out there for those of you who actually you are still looking for something to get in. Now let's get to the big daddy. Let's see what the big daddy is doing. Bitcoin. No matter what you do, guys, if you don't look what Bitcoin is doing, then you're just wasting your time in the space, because the most liquidity is in Bitcoin. The money is in Bitcoin, a lot of money. And I'm gonna be honest with you and mention this right now that we have reached the bottom this week. Most people are gonna wait for price to um maybe okay, let's just go, let's look at this first on the weekly on the 1 hour time frame, and I'm gonna on the daily time frame. Sorry, and I'm gonna explain to you guys what I'm talking about. Let's go to something else. I'm gonna go to a clean chart first before I go to that my nasty chart. The chart I just showed you guys is on where I trade most at the, like I look at that chart when I'm trading, and the one I want to show you right now is the one I do analysis on. So let's get to the analysis part of this shit. And I'm gonna bring let's go to the daily time frame. Okay, I think I did something here already, but I made this analysis with coin. Let me go to something like this USD, and I think it was Bitstamp. I think I already analyzed the market. Yeah, okay, this is it. Oh boy, you know everything happening in the market. I already talk about it. Look, and I'm gonna explain this so that because I think nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. So I'm gonna keep the explanation here. Now, let me tell you guys what just happened or what happened the previous week and this week. Price was, this was, let's say, the 30th of July, right? We saw price go right up to about $70,000 for Bitcoin. And ever since then, price has been plunging downward until we saw price go right down to $49,000, per Bitcoin. And ever since we saw a huge buyback. So this was some sort of stopping volume candle. And we see a huge buyback. Now, when you see a buyback like this, what do you expect to happen? You expect structure to be broken. Now, is structure broken? Okay, let's analyze this. So after this dip, what you should do is you pull your Fibonacci retracement tool, the fib from the top here, the 70 to this zone here, 49 something, and it's gonna give you where we call the golden pocket. This is the golden pocket. The golden pocket is a zone where I am always gonna look at to get my entry or to expect price to react react heavily when price get there. So price got yeah, you see price reacted, it attempted again, it reacted, and boom, it break this golden pocket. But something also happened when price break the golden pocket. Price have to go above this vector candle or where the alpha trend printed a sell signal. So because price wasn't able to break and close above, then this movement was invalidated. Now, what I was looking for next was price because this movement was invalidated, or even though price break above the break above you know the golden pocket, we didn't see something like this 1 2 3. So this move was invalidated. Now the next move is this move. So I mentioned that even though price didn't come here, but if price comes to this zone, what I want to see is going to be the same similar thing. It should play here. So let me bring this so you can see. Let's do this. Nothing has changed, guys. So price have done this. Now, what do we expect? Price to do. Price have done this. So price should do something like this. From where price is, price should do something like this. Price should come down, and price already came down here. You know, down here, and price when price goes up, price should come back here, hold somehow, and we should see a huge spike to the upside. Now, this might sound somehow crazy, okay? Because some people are calling that September is always a bearish month, but we should also understand that this is not the usual crypto cycle. Because we have seen lots like more adoption than ever. We have seen institutions coming on board. BlackRock. Most firm in the United States into this cryptocurrency stuff. The ETFs that they are providing to their customers, their clients. I mean, people are buying Bitcoin. So, what has happened here on the daily time frame is price attempt to break. If I show you guys on the 4 hours time frame, you're gonna see it properly. So this is it. Price, has been forming this divergence here. Let me bring this so you can see. If you understand what I mean by divergence is when like mm, I'm gonna search for the proper definition. I cannot define it, but I can explain it somehow to you, but I cannot define it per like this is the actual definition. But divergence is, for example, let me give you this example. Price, you see this dip here, and price form this zone here on trend, like on the trendillo. You see this red zone here after this dip, and price form this zone here. Now, come to think of it, price has been going forming lower lows from this zone here, but you see the this line is pointing more upward, so it's showing that price is going upward, even though you see the candlestick is pointing downward, like we are seeing lower lows, but this trendillo, the line in the middle, the moving is it the moving average or the RSI line? Yeah, the RSI line is moving, pointing to the upside. Now, this zero line, the line in the middle, is a line that if price break on the 4 hour time frame or daily time frame, I become so bullish. But for now, I know, or I'm thinking that when price break structure for Bitcoin, if price does something like this, and the reason why I'm doing this again is because of altcoins, of altcoins. If Bitcoin is gonna do this, then I'm gonna be looking forward to buy altcoins. How and when am I gonna buy altcoins? I want to buy altcoins when Bitcoin is gonna retrace back and hold the year. It's gonna hold the year, this zone now at around 58. So if price break 58, this zone right now, and go up right up to 60, we're gonna see a quick retracement, and price should hold this zone here, this area here, this area. Price should hold this area. It should hold it. It should hold. And I want to see a reversal like that, and boom. Oh, you know, your altcoins or our altcoins are gonna make us quick gains. Now, are we okay with price? Are we okay with Bitcoin right now? I would say yeah, we are okay, because this huge candle here, I mean, it should be accompanied by volume. Look at the volume. Look at this. The volume is not that huge as compared to, but you can see the volume is there, and price is holding now above the alpha trend. And when price hold above the alpha trend and keep holding above the alpha trend, then it means that price is about to do something, like pump to the upside. But this green candle alone, we haven't seen it for a long time. It happened, yeah, but it wasn't at a significant zone. But it happened here. This is a significant zone that we have seen, or we are seeing this green vector candle. So I think that it's not yet the right time to buy altcoin, of course, but there are some altcoins that have strength against Bitcoin. I just showed you guys most of it. If you look at the monthly time frame, you can see the altcoins that have strength against Bitcoin. Let's go to the top 500 first. You're going to see the altcoin for the month that have strength more than Bitcoin. You see Chemo, but let's just be realistic, and stay with the top 100 coins at least. You can see Popcat, Sats, with HNT, Fairway, all of these ones in green, the bubbles are, like have done well against Bitcoin. So if you're looking, all day also is there. If you're looking at any coin that move alongside Bitcoin that have done well more than Bitcoin, then this is how you go about it. Look at higher time frame. Maybe you can even go to the yearly time frame and see the coins that have done so well this year. You can see Solana, Bong, Omo, Pepe, ARO, CAS, Ovi, Tau, Yasmi, Fed, HNT. Yeah, these coins should be your Floki Inu is there. These coins should be your focus. You can trade only this coin you see. Near also is there. Near protocol render is there. So these coins could be your coins. You are focusing on these coins, right? And if you go to the top 200, you're gonna find also coins there that have done like Mock, Turbo, Pepe Coin, Son, People, BNX, Super, Pendle, Ray. These coins also could be the coins you trade against Bitcoin. They have strength, because if you go still on monthly time frame, you're gonna see that most of these coins are gonna be there as well. That have done so well against Bitcoin. You can play around the monthly and the yearly time frame. You can even click on the yearly time frame, and then you go to the coin and you click on it to see what it has done for the week, for the month, and the day and the hour. So you can see if this coin has good strength, then you're gonna see from the performance daily, hourly, weekly, and monthly. So this is just how I go about all of this stuff, making sure that I am buying the right coin, so I won't make any mistake. Now, looking at Bitcoin where we are this week, we had a huge dip yesterday, and now we are seeing some sort of recovery. So for us to be to actually say we are in good spot, then price must do what I just mentioned here. Price must break the structure, go right to around 61,000 or $60,000, come back and hold around $58,000. Then from there we can now say, okay, let's get into those altcoins and take the ride up. But of course, this could be maybe like trap that the market makers they want to set for us to fall into it, then they dump it on us. But I don't think that's gonna be the case because we are in a different circle. Those of you who are watching, you haven't yet do like. I can see you are watching from Facebook, you're watching from X, you're watching from YouTube. I have 6 people watching from YouTube. That's awesome. Do let me know where you are watching from. If say you like my analysis or you love my analysis, do like the video. It's gonna help reach out to more people. Those of you who have liked already, is you are awesome. And those of you who haven't yet followed me on X, this is my X platform. Go and follow me on X at the Betong. I appreciate all of you who have followed me already. But those of you who haven't yet followed me, go and follow me. This is my X. We are heading towards 700 followers on X, and this is the live video on X. Those of you who are watching right now, you can comment below. Comment if say you have any coin you want me to analyze right now. Do comment, and I'm gonna analyze the coin for you immediately. The next coin I want to look at right now before I go to any of your coin is Floki Inu. Floki Inu, we have seen is one of the top coins that have done so well this year, and it's on Binance. But I want to analyze this on Mexi Global. So, looking at this, I think Floki Inu has found um, a resistance zone, right? But of course, we can still see price come right down to about, let's say, about, let me just analyze it. Let me just get this quickly. So we can examine and see where price might get to. So from looking at the Fibonacci retracement tool, um I think price is already there. Price already got into that zone. You can see, this is that last zone that I mentioned. That's the 0.78 86. This price shouldn't break. If price break this zone, then it means we set. Price is gonna go right down to this area, which is still in structure, but it's gonna invalidate anything that I do in terms of looking at market structure, trading, and so if price goes against it, it means structure is broken. So I might start looking for um down or like short position for Floki Inu. But now looking at this, let's begin with this chart. Let's go to Floki Inu here, so we can get a glimpse of what is going on. As I mentioned, I want to go to Mexi Global. Mexi Global, I think the chart gonna look somehow pretty good because it's no longer Floki was listed on Binance. So I already marked this. I already have this analysis here, and I want to explain to you. I want to like um make you guys to understand some few tricks here when it comes to how I go about trading. Now you see, I use these indicators. Like watch my previous video and gonna see how I use these indicators. My recent live, like the live that I did today. Yeah, today. Okay, these vector candles, green, green, red, red. It told me that price is gonna somehow reverse because this was like price when Floki Inu was pumping. Let me do this. Oh boy, sorry. Let me do this. Okay. Nope, nope, nope. So this was a move to the upside for Floki Inu. And I pulled a what you adjustment to from here to this upside because I wanted to see where or the zone that price is going to create or the zone that price is going to trade. And when price trade in this zone moves sideways, which is going to be accumulation zone, what I'm looking at is for break of structure either to the upside or to the downside. So to the upside, it means that we are going to see another leg up for Floki Inu, and to the downside, it means we're going to see another leg down for Floki Inu. There are still some liquidity here that market makers can come and grab. You see these vectors here because when price is going up, when you see a vector candle like this and price is going like a green vector candle, it means they are building long, short, and if you see a red vector candle like something like this, it means they are building long. So they are feeling orders going up, printing this green vector candle, and when they bring it down, they are feeling orders going down, and they are making profit from it because this is a business. Those who provide liquidity are business people. They are going to make money from trades or from buy and sell, or investors which are traders or investors who are going to sell paper hands, or so they're gonna make money from those guys. And what they do is they push price to the areas where there's high demand, like there are buy orders or sell orders. In this case, when you see them pushing price to the upside, it means they are selling. They are trying to fill sell orders that people are dumping. Let me put it that way. Some people might think that okay, when price is going up, maybe it's because the bulls are doing so well. Of course, yeah, the bulls are doing so well because they are buying from the bears. And the bears usually, it doesn't mean that there are people who are doing that. It means the market makers have seen price. They have seen that many people are both want to sell, so they are going to now, risk their money to fill those orders and give those people their money, right? Because this is a player versus player game. When you are selling, you are buying from. When you're buying from someone who is selling. And if the person is not a physical person, it means this person is a whale or a market maker who provide liquidity. So this is how it works. Now, because there's so much profit here that they can make. So if they see buy orders here, if they see more buy orders here, like people place buy orders here, they are gonna push price here to fill those buy orders, and after that they're gonna push price back again to fill sell orders. Because guys, when you're selling, you're buying, there are many people out there who are doing the same thing. Okay, and the market makers are just there to fill those orders, and where the orders are, they're gonna push price there. So looking at Floki, right now, I'll say that we are getting to a point where we must see price break structure. Now let's go to lower time frame. How is price gonna break structure? Now you can see this movement here after this dip here to this zone, and after that we saw the alpha trend printed a buy signal, a sell signal, a buy signal, and the buy signal has been doing so well until this sell signal that brought price back towards this buy signal. Yeah, this previous buy signal. But what happened? Price didn't break and make lower low. This is the structure I'm talking about. Price didn't break this zone yet. Price didn't do anything to break. Instead, price stay above multiple times on the 4 hour time frame. You see, so what do you expect price to do after rejecting, to break and to break structure? What you expect price to do is price to go and make higher highs. And if price is not able to go and make higher highs, like something like this, if price is not able to do something like this, go up, from this, then maybe we're gonna see more downward price. Okay, so you ought to understand what price is doing at and what it means by break of structure, what it means by higher highs, lower lows. When you understand all of this, you can just pull the chart like this and look at, oh boy, now I'm not gonna do anything. Now, if you look at this tool, this is the Trendilo. The Trendilo is a momentum indicator for me, and I enjoy using this. I can use this to DCA. Like if say I see these red zones here, printed red zones, I can use this as a buy when I'm investing, but when I'm trading, I want to see price this how as I close above this zero this line in the middle. I want to see it close above it, then maybe come back and hold like something like this. You can see something like this. Then but in this case it came right down, but you can see yeah it go in there, it came back, and you see boom. So this is what I want to see. And when price cross this could be just accumulation. You're accumulating here, this zone you are buying, you see price going up, down, you're buying. I mean, then when price cross above and start printing the green zone above, you are selling. Guys, this indicator is free of charge. It won't cost you anything. It's free. Just go to your trading view, go and search for Trendilo. Trendilo. This is it. Trendilo. And the first one, Trendilo open source, that's the first one. And if say you don't have trading view, then go to the description of this video, go to my link tree. This is my link tree. Scroll right down to where it says join me on trading view. This place is awesome. Of course it's awesome because that's the area where we make money, we analyze and see what is going to happen in the market. And those of you who want to get my buy and sell alert, this first link, trade with me on Bitunix. No. Join my VIP. For those of you who want to trade with me, of course, you can join. You can use this first link to trade with me on Bitunix. Bitunix is a no KYC crypto derivative. You can use this exchange if say you live in a country that require KYC. And as I mentioned, this is my VIP group. Joining my group, you're gonna get my buy and sell alert when I'm buying any coin, when I'm selling any coin, when I'm just out there taking out profit. I want to share everything with you. And if say you are a beginner, you want someone to help you with portfolio management, like you anything you buy, you find yourself losing money, your portfolio is always in red, and you need someone to help you, help you with portfolio management, buying the right coins out there, then this is for you. And if say you are an absolute beginner, then make sure you use this link to um join to connect with me. Then of course my free Telegram group where I share stuff every now and then. So join that. But don't forget as well to follow me on X. This is my X platform. I want to see those of you who haven't yet shared anything. Do share something that you want me to do to analyze a coin, anything. You're still watching. You have a coin that you want me to analyze. Do share with me, and I'm gonna do my possible best to help you out in that. You can see I'm live on X. Let me like my live show. 39 views. Oh boy, I love this. X is really awesome. Getting 39 views there or live is awesome. Okay. Let's move forward. We look at Floki, and we have already analyzed what could happen with Floki. Now let's get to the baby. Baby DogeCoin. Okay. Um Baby DogeCoin, let's see. Baby Doge. Oh boy. Now let's look at this here. Baby Doge here. Baby Doge. Baby Doge to be listed on Binance. Let's see if we get um good analysis here for Baby Dogecoin. I'm gonna take out this alpha trend screener. So we have a good chart here. Okay. So this is Baby Dogecoin on the daily time frame. On I already marked these zones here. I think it's like I've done analysis a lot. I think maybe Dogecoin is about to it's about to pump. Yeah. This bad boy is about to pump. Maybe Dogecoin is about to pump to the upside. Yes. Now let's look at this on um let's go to the daily time frame or the weekly time frame. Let's see where we are right now. Okay. So I mean, price is just like, guys, if you look at price action, especially on coins that have history, you're gonna be enjoying your TA. Now you can see maybe Dogecoin have done this, it reject this zone. The palm came here, it reject the zone again, it has come back there. And you see, if we zoom out or zoom in or zoom whatever you want to how you want to call it, you can see, look at this rejection here. Look at this multiple rejection here. Look at this, guys. This is not, it's not, you cannot make this up. And price is still gonna stay in this zone. Now, how are we gonna know is the right time to buy Baby Dogecoin? Or when are we gonna know is the right time to buy Baby Dogecoin? This is it. You want to see the price hold this zone. No matter what price is gonna do, price should maintain, should stay in this range. This range here. Let me first of all do this so we can get a proper let's do this quickly, guys. Wait. So this is it. No matter what price do, price should stay in this range. Now there are two range here, this range and this range, this one here up here. So what we want to see is price should do something like this, for Baby Dogecoin. We should see price break this structure here, be like go right up there, then come down here, hold this zone here. 'Cause if price goes that high, it's not come back there. Hold this zone here. Then we are taking it back now. That's when we're gonna buy. So from this zone here, from here, this area here, this is where you're buying from this zone. Don't wait for it to come right down. You can still end here. Yeah, you can still buy it here, and keep buying it down, 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 down. So, bringing in the Fibonacci retracement tool, we can already see where price might move towards. So, how you do it? This is the weekly time frame. So we are looking at the bigger picture here for Baby Dogecoin, and the bigger picture is this: you bring in your Fibonacci tool. From this top here, this area here, to where price ended, this zone there. Now, where you are looking at is this. The first zone is is around 0.00002. And that's the first area where we're gonna expect some sort of rejection. So if we don't see price move like from here, then if price does something like that, then the next target is gonna go straight to this zone here or here. And price is gonna come back there, yeah, then move back to the golden pocket. So this is how you want to see price move. This is how price is gonna move, for Baby Dogecoin. So this could be some sort of price prediction for Baby Dogecoin. So Baby Dogecoin price prediction, something like that, right? And this won't fail you. If you analyze the market like this on higher time frame, you are going to eliminate most of the noise out there, because guys, we are here for a long term. We are here to stay. We're not going anywhere. Crypto is here to stay. And when you see project like Baby Dogecoin that have a huge community, if you go on Twitter alone or on X to look at the community of Baby Dogecoin, you're going to be amazed to see 2.4 million followers already, and they're heading towards 3 million followers. And they have the Baby Doge swap. They have a lot of stuff going with their ecosystem. So if you're buying a meme coin like this, then you know that there is a future. The next 5 years, this coin is going to survive. Baby Doge coin will survive the next 5 years. I know that, because they keep building. They are like Floki Inu. They keep building. These coins are just casinos for us. They are going to be long-lasting casinos. Don't fall in love with them. Fall in love with their growth, because their growth is going to help you make a lot of money from the coin, and you're going to use that money to buy more Bitcoin or accumulate more Bitcoin. Our goal here is to accumulate more Bitcoin. We want to use altcoins to make more Bitcoin. So I'm gonna now analyze Illivium. Let's look at Illivium. Um, Illivium. Let's see what's going on with Illivium. We have already done with Dogecoin. You can see already there. But let's go with Illivium. Let's see what is happening with Illivium. Now I'm analyzing Illivium on the Binance platform, and you can see I've already done my analysis a long time ago, guys. I'm not that kind of a person that you're gonna say he doesn't know what he's doing. I know what I'm doing. I know my shit. I at times when I talk about crypto, I just enjoy myself. I just enjoy because I know how far I've come. Learning all of this, understanding the market, and trying to create content to help you guys out there as well. Now, for a you, I want to mention this to you. This coin, ever since we are looking at it even on the weekly time frame. Okay, now you see if I and this is on Binance. Okay, so this coin, I think maybe when it was launched, right, on Binance, we saw this hype, you know. But I think let's look at another chart so that we can chart it from scratch. I think let's see if I can get it on Mexico Global. Maybe I can get a more. Yeah, okay, yeah, this is much better because from here I can see previous data, but on Binance it only yeah. I think it was launched on Mexi. Then when it was launched on Binance, we saw this pump. Then it came back right down here. Now on Mexico Global, I'm able to see this data that I mentioned to you guys when I was doing Baby Dogecoin. So this is the zone. Yeah, this zone is very important, guys. It's very important you mark this. This is kind of like the bottom zone for Elysium. So looking at this zone here, what you expect price to do is this. Like, let's first of all mark all the zones. So let's build the structure first. So so that when price get to that structure, we are gonna be able to um, you know, analyze price properly from there. So this is the structure that we are going to be looking at. From this price point, which is around $37 to right up to about 160 $169, or let's say 160 $169 or $170. So this is the area where we expect price to move towards, because you can see right back then in 2022, price pump right up to around 2023. It came right down, it pumped again back there, it came right down, it made higher highs. And because prices haven't yet come right down to we test this zone, price has come back there. And also because Bitcoin is not doing well. Remember, if Bitcoin is not doing well, most of the gains of your altcoin are going to be eaten by Bitcoin. So now, if we have to pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the top to where we call the bottom, you know, you're gonna be you're gonna see the insane profit that you can make. Look at this. So it means that we might see price go right up to $700. Of course, let's be realistic. Can this happen? Well, I don't know. I don't know. So I want to go with what I know, which is this. Let's now pull this Fibonacci tool again from the last high, this year to this low now. And this is the realistic goal. And the realistic goal is that if say we see if this is the bottom, then we're gonna see price go right up to 120 per Ethereum. So this is my Ethereum price prediction. Price is gonna go to 120, and where we're gonna expect some sort of rejection is around on 183 or 81, or they just say the 180. No, sorry, not a 180, around 84 or $80. Yeah, around this but around this 0.382 zone. I think that's the area, but again, this if price is able to get here, then it's gonna go to the golden pocket. And if price break above the golden pocket, oh boy, you are gonna be so happy with yourself. Like this, let's just do this roughly like this. If price break above this, come back there, oh boy, we are going straight there. Straight there. You can see straight there. We don't have any real any real support, resistance, liquidity here. We're gonna go straight to the upside. So guys, you have to keep your eyes on all of this stuff. Ethereum or whatever coin you're doing, you are investing in. Make sure you keep your eyes on it diligently. Let's see. Guys, if you're watching, you have a coin that you want me to analyze. Make sure you share the coin here. And if you wanna join me live, Of course, you can join me live. If you have any question to ask me, let me just create a new live. Like, so if I see someone, if you guys want to join me, you can join me. Feel free. You can trade with me. So let me share my link right now. This is the link. You can use this link to join me right now. If you want to join me live, feel free to join me right now. You know, from Facebook, from wherever you are, just use that link and you're gonna join me live. So um now, which coin am I gonna go next, guys? If you haven't yet subscribe, do subscribe. If you haven't yet like, do like, share this content if you're getting some value from it. Let's go to Popcat. The Popcat is gonna make us a lot of profit. A lot of profit. I think this coin is not go to like 10 billion market cap. We can see Popcat go to 10 billion market cap. Now, I've done my analysis in the past. I've already done all of this, drew my trend line and saw that price has respected this trend line multiple times. Now we are at a crucial zone. Remember my previous video on Popcat, price was here. Price was here. When my previous video on Popcat, price was here. I told you guys that I will not buy it because I know we're gonna get some reversal. I know that because price has broken the structure and we're gonna get some reversal. So I pulled the Fibonacci tool, you know, I pulled it from here to the top and it gave me the golden pocket. And what do you think is happening right now? Price bounce above the golden pocket. You can see, guys. When you trade a ray coin, when you invest in a ray coin that respect indicators, that respect TA, then you are always going to be making money alongside Bitcoin. Popcat is one of those coins that have done so well against Bitcoin this year. So it's good or best for us to say, oh, it's gonna be fair, best fair for us to say that. What we want to see next is this. This is the structure that is going to be broken for us to go all in Popcat. This is the structure here. You see, this is the structure. If price does something like this, don't rush. Guys, don't rush to. You can buy it and price is still dump. Don't rush. You have to see that price is respecting your structure. So this is something like this. Come back here, hold. This is when you're buying. This is where you are buying. Then you take it back to the upside. So you can use your money, your capital, and focus on coins that are respecting your TA or your style of trading, rather than you staying in a coin which is going against your style of trading. So if you want to copy my style of trading, feel free, go on my link tree, join me on Bitunics. Go, like, you trade with me on Bitunics. Register with Bitunics, and I'm gonna be doing live with you. Not like live now, but we can do trade together, and you're gonna see the value. And if say you don't have time, but you want to get my buy and sell signal, then join my VIP group, or you can just join my free Telegram group. And guys, if say you are there and you are just confused, you don't know what to do, then book a 15-minute free call with me. Let's discuss. It's free of charge. It won't cost you anything. Let's discuss what challenges you're facing. You know. So I don't know if say you guys have some coins that you want me to look at. Let me see if say you still have some coins. But those of you who want to join me, you can join me live. Has a link there to join me live. Feel free, join me live and ask any question you want to ask. I'm gonna be there to respond to you diligently. Now, I've already sent a link, as I mentioned. Let's look at another coin that I should analyze right now. Let's go here. Let me see what breadth. I think it's breadth. Let's see. Let me see breadth. On the base network, base coin, and breadth is one of the top coins on the base network. The base network is owned by um, Coinbase. So this is breadth. And if we look at the daily time frame, yeah, you can see this. Oh boy, you cannot make this up. I always say this. I love to say it. You cannot make this up. So after this huge pump, let's just do this. The Fibonacci tool. Again, the fib from here to that up top side. You know, look at this. Price is still in this range. It's still in structure, right? It's in structure. Price haven't yet broken structure. But whatever price is gonna do, price should not break and close below, like close to do something like this. Price shouldn't do something like this, you know. Because if price does something like this, then that's not good. But what you're seeing right now is a good um way of analyzing the market. So what you want to see is this for breath coin. You want to see bread do this. Let's try to analyze this now. So you're gonna do something like this. Come back here. Hold. It should hold. Yeah. It can even break below. Yeah, but it should hold. At least it should go back up, and that's when you're buying again. You know. And I think the structure is even much better. Why? Because you can see price had to come back here. Is this zone? Price had to come back here because this was the area where we saw this huge break to the upside for bread. So it's very normal to see where price is, and we can say that price can go up, come back down, hold. Then that's when we are buying again. For to take it to take the right up to about 2 billion. I think we're gonna see this coin get to about 30 billion market cap in the future. Yeah, it's possible. Bread can get to 30 billion market cap in the future. So what you're seeing here right now, this is nothing, it's nothing. This is one of the top coin on the base network, the base blockchain. So I think there's still more upside for this coin. So if you ask me, is this a buy zone? I'll say yes. This is a buy zone. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm someone who is struggling trying to do analysis out there in the market, and it's fun. It's for fun. It's for educational purpose and for fun. So if say you're gonna be doing something like this, it's gonna be based on your own detriment. So do your own research before you get on board anything. Now, we have done bread. Let's look at mock. Mock also is a good coin, and this meme coin, I've done a video already about it, and you can see I've done all of this tier on it. I've already plugged the zones, and I'm not gonna buy this coin. Trust me. Like, I know when I want to buy the coin. So again, guys, when you see me, you know, being in like looking at market structure, looking at price action, I'm building my mindset and I'm also building my trade in advance. So in advance, in advance, I have multiple coins that I can trade or I can invest in when the right time comes. So you can see I have all of these zones here being marked. I can if I want to invest in mock, yes, I can buy mock now. But guys, trust me, I saw mock when it was back then. I bought it, yeah. I sold it, yeah. I bought it, yeah. I sold it, yeah. I'm not gonna buy it yet again. No, I'm not gonna buy it yet again until I see break of structure. And break of structure means I want to see price go above and stay, around this golden pocket. You know. So if structure is not broken, oh, I'm not gonna waste my time. Trust me, guys. But you can see during this trend line, it shows that maybe we can see some sort of movement to the upside soon. Maybe gonna break, come back, hold, then pump to the upside. Another meme coin I want us to look at right now is Toshi. Toshi is a very good coin and it has a good community. When I say very good coin, I mean that it's a coin that you can make profit from, you know, and it's at a zone where I think it's a buy zone. Those guys have cash out profit. You can see they've cash out profit, and now price is back to where price wasn't able to break. So for me to actually say I'm 100% in Toshi, this is what I want to see with Toshi. Guys, you can do this. You can also get trading view and do this with me. I want price to hold here, hold this zone. Why? Because this was a previous zone where price wasn't price break, and price came and attempted this zone multiple times. We saw that again, yeah, and it break. It came back there. It came back here. So if price is gonna get there, I want to see price break above it, then come back, retest it, hold, and I'm gonna buy from there, take it to the upside. I'm not gonna rush to wanna buy Toshi right now. I don't. I sold my Toshi, all of my Toshi. I now I'm waiting for a price to play out the way I want price to do. And the next I want to show you guys is um Trum, the Trum coin, MAGA, MAGA. Okay, looking at the Trum coin, you're gonna see that ever since this movement to the upside, price has been, forming down, 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 and price break structure. So I've lost hope with price action on this Trump coin. Those of you who are investing in this particular Trump coin, then okay, you have to be careful, and also let's see what price is gonna do. But for me to actually confirm that I am gonna be in good hands, this coin in good hands, then I want price to do something like this. Price should break above it, come back, hold it, then boom to the golden pocket. So that's what I want to see for Trump coin, MAGA. All right, guys. If I don't have more coins to analyze right now, I want to call this a go. I always encourage you guys, if you have any coin you want me to look at. I can see 11 of you watching me from all my social platforms. You know, if you don't have any coin for me to analyze, I can see zero. I don't have anyone watching me on Facebook. Oh, no one is watching me on Facebook. But I have you guys on X, I have people on YouTube, So if you have any coin that you want me to analyze, you have any question, now is the time to post your question. I have a couple of minutes to go, so I can respond to your question accordingly. Again, I've gone through a lot of stuff, on today's live stream. I want to be doing this every day, same time. If you guys want to do it every day, same time, you can comment below. You can type one. If say you don't want me to do it every day, same time, you can type zero. So just do that. Type one. One is for me to do it every day, same time, and zero is for me not to do it every day, same time. You can, if you're watching on X, you can just comment one or zero. And if you're watching on YouTube, just do it so I can see. I don't care if I come here, I see one person, two, three, I gonna be live with you. We discuss the market, you learn, I learn, and someday you're gonna impact someone else. That's my game. I'm not here, you know, to want to like get 1 million people to watch me. I want to get the right people to watch me. People who are willing to take their investment and trading to the next level. All right, guys, we have a couple of minutes to go. I'm still waiting. If you have some questions, to post your questions to me. I'm gonna do my best to respond to you accordingly. Let's see if I have something on X. Let's see again. While we wait for questions, you can connect with me on Bitunix. It's a no KYC derivative. It's also an affiliate link. I'm an affiliate of Bitunix, so if you use my link, I'm gonna get commission from you using my link. And also, if you use my link, you're gonna trade with me. You're gonna join my trading group. And if say you want to get my buy and sell alert, you are someone who is busy and you want someone to help you with buy and sell alert, then this is it. You're gonna get what I'm buying, what I'm selling. And if say you are an absolute beginner and you want to get crypto education for beginners, this is it. And if say your portfolio is in red always, and you will need someone to help you with the right coin, the right project, then this link is for you. Or you can just join my free Telegram group. And if you don't yet have um, Trading View, you can join me on Trading View. This link here, click it. And if say you know nothing, you just want to start from somewhere, you want to talk to someone, then talk to me. Book a 15-minute free call. Let's have a chat and see how it goes. All right, guys, I think I've come to the end of today's show. It was awesome to be with you. And since you guys didn't say one, two, three, let me see if someone have mentioned something on the chat on X. Let's see. Since you guys didn't say anything one, two, or three, then tomorrow let's see. Maybe I'm gonna be live. I'm gonna be live. I don't know. Let's just see how it goes. All right, guys. See you tomorrow. Have a nice time. Ciao.